This 3930 Orchard. This is the second clean out that we're going to do here.
You want me to turn on a sink for this one?
Hmm?
You want me to turn on the sink for this one?
Yeah, I don't hear any water, so go in like the, I guess the master. Probably the closest place. Oh. So, they lined it.
Oh. Is that good?
That's very good.
Sure.
It's like you turn on the hot water.
You want me to switch it?
Yeah, I'll get it. I'll go get it. Yeah, because I won't be able to see anything for that steam.
Damn it, Cole. I turned on the side that's cold for our taps.
He was like, oh, I like it. That's really good. What's up with this? Woo! He's coming out of here. Well, it kind of stopped now.
Oh, the cleanout's supposed to be tilted up.
I tried to move it a little bit.
It's hitting us. Yeah, this is definitely the one that repaired. Now this is clay pipe. Big offsets right there. main.
I was gonna say we can't be too far off anyway.
Yeah. It's fun sometimes going through the main. They have, in newer neighborhoods, they have valves there. So when you drop over into the manhole, there's like a flapper there.
Oh,
And if you get past it, you can get your camera back.
jeez.
I've seen video of it. I haven't actually done it.
Thank goodness.
These camera heads. And the machine's expensive, but the camera heads
Like 2,000.
are closer to $5.
Jeez.
Yeah, this thing's like $6,500. Yeah, and this camera head's self-leveling, so no matter if this twists or not, it always keeps the camera
Oh, wow.
pointing up.
That's nice.
I never even considered that.
That's what makes the what makes the camera head so freaking expensive. But there's nothing to worry about with this side. For either side, for that matter.
Wow. That was making me the most anxious.
You were thinking what?
That was making me the most anxious.
Yeah, well, I mean, you don't know until you scope it, you know, you just don't know. Because stupid plumbing repairs, especially sewer, it's so expensive. So I try to tell people, you know, they're getting a whole home inspection, spend the $200 and get a sewer scope, because that's half what anybody else will charge you or more.
Yeah.
And or you can find out the hard way and spend thousands. Yeah, I've got it on in the master as well. When I get back home, I usually clean all this again, and then get all down inside the spring here.
Yeah, I can imagine that'd be really annoying to clean.
I think cleaning it with these wipes helps a lot. Yes, so that's this piece from here to here, because you have to buy it assembled.
Oh, wow.
Don't look like much, but
It's always the things that don't look like
yeah. It's got like the glass is supposed to be like sapphire or something,
that. Jeez.
something super hard.